Nicky. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
You see, I got a family here. You see my family. I think right now you know my family. All right, my mom, my wife, and Charles. You see everybody here. The most important for us, find someone who help us.
Comment? Oui, une photo de votre... C'est le Teletubby. Comment ça s'appelle? Le bébé?
Bébé.
Le bébé a un nom? Bébé. C'est le bébé, je comprends. Dans les États-Unis, nous avons un nom pour le bébé. C'est un Teletubby. Bush, Clinton, they are collecting money.
For the government,
You think?
for us, not for the people. So when they give the government the money, the people in Haiti will receive nothing.
So you don't have faith?
No.
No, I don't agree.
If I am an American and I'm watching my television and I see you two, what can I do? What can you do?
So you just come in Haiti.